welcome viewers. Today we will discuss series LCR circuit in which resonance is taking place, what is quality factor and application of series LCR circuit in the tuning mechanism of radio and TV set. What is it? Let's discuss. Although we have discussed earlier that phase angle between current and voltage in series LCR circuit is given by XL minus XC upon R, and power factor is given by R by Z. We have discussed, we have derived these expressions. We have seen that if XL is greater than XC, then the circuit is inductive. What does it mean? That voltage leads the current. What is the current equation? I equal to I naught sine omega t minus phi, as current is lagging behind. Similarly, when XC greater than XL, we have seen I leads the voltage and the circuit is capacitive. This all we have read earlier. So now the equation of current is given by I equal to I naught sine omega t plus phi. For the voltage expression, V equal to V naught sine omega t. We know that in between these two conditions there is, if we write XL and XC, they are same, then at that particular frequency is called resonant frequency. Sometimes it is written by omega R, and at this frequency what happens? The circuit becomes purely resistive. How can you say? As you know that I is in I naught, you can write, is given by in the series LCR circuit with the expression R square plus XL minus XC whole square. So at this condition, what you get here? This I naught is E naught upon R. So what is the impedance? Whatever is the impedance is here, I E naught upon Z, that becomes only R. So circuit becomes purely resistive, phi becomes 0, power dissipation becomes maximum. These all are the characteristics of series LCR circuit at resonance. So power dissipation becomes maximum. Why? Because you know power is I naught square upon R. So since I becomes I naught, that is maximum, so power becomes maximum. You can write in this way. We have read all these. Now what is resonance? As we have seen, resonance in the it is an interesting characteristic of series LCR circuit. How can you understand it? You can define that resonance is a phenomenon common among systems that have tendency to oscillate at particular frequency, that is called natural frequency. If such a system is driven by an energy source at a frequency nearer to the natural frequency, then amplitude of oscillation is found to be large. What is here? Amplitude of oscillation, that current in the circuit becomes maximum. This is the electrical circuit. Let's take the example of swing. A child is swinging. After a fixed interval of time, he pulls on the rope. Then frequency of his pulse is equal to, if the frequency of the swinging, then the amplitude of swinging increases. So what happens? Resonance is a phenomenon in which frequency matches one frequency of the system, other frequency which is of the energy source, like the child pulls on the rope, or here the source system which has energy. So the energy source at a frequency, that frequency matches with the natural frequency, then amplitude of current become maximum. So at resonance in series LCR circuit, what happens? The current becomes maximum, impedance becomes minimum. That impedance, minimum impedance, is only R. The circuit becomes purely resistive, and you can find phase angle 0 and power dissipation maximum. This phenomenon resonance makes the series LCR circuit to be applied in tuning mechanism of radio and television. What happens in tuning mechanism? Let's understand. In radio or in television, there is LC circuit, LCR circuit. What happens in tuning? We change by rotating the knob the value of capacitance in the set. In the atmosphere, the programs which are broadcasted by different stations are available at different frequencies, and all the frequencies which are received by the antenna, they come to the antenna and the voltage is induced corresponding to those frequencies. Out of all those frequencies, that frequency corresponding to which the frequency of the set, radio or TV, whatever you can consider, that set's frequency and the frequency of the broadcasted station, that all frequencies are received by the antenna, then out of them, that frequency corresponding to which that frequency and the set frequency both are, if same or they are nearly same, then current in the circuit becomes maximum, power becomes maximum. So that station is clearly audible or visible. Again I am saying the frequency of set and frequency that matches with the set's frequency corresponding to which any program is broadcasted. So in this frequency matching phenomenon, we find that amplitude of current becomes maximum and power is maximum, so that that program is clearly audible or visible. That's why series LCR circuit is called acceptor circuit, because out of the all frequencies available, it accepts only that frequency corresponding to which current becomes maximum, and it is that program becomes audible or visible clearly. How this phenomenon can be described? By knowing about the sharpness at resonance, that is also called quality factor. As per its name, good will be the quality, that means you are listening, you are enjoying that program easily, you are not finding any noise, any difficulty. So if the quality factor is more, then program quality is good. How this quality factor, on what factors it depends, let's discuss. Before that, one thing you should know, that presence of inductance L and capacitance C in the circuit is essential. Only then voltage across L and voltage across C, we have read they are out of phase and equal, so they will cancel out each other. What will happen? Then the current will become maximum, that is only E0 by R. the total source voltage will appear across R. So we cannot have resonance in LR or in LC circuits. This question is also asked. Can you have resonance in LR and LC circuit? No. So why? I have given the reason. Now series resonance can occur at all values of R resistance. That is, when, at what frequency resonance will occur, it is not decided by R. The R resistance doesn't depend on it, but R affects the current at resonance. Resonance is sharper or flatter, it depends on the value of R. Remember, resistance brings sharpness at resonance. We have read here that resonance frequency omega naught is 1 by under root LC. We have seen how this resonance frequency is decided, how this expression is derived. We have seen earlier. I am going to tell you again, this I equal to E naught upon Z, and the value of Z under root R square plus omega L minus 1 upon omega C whole square. Then we have seen that omega nearly to 0, tending to 0, very small, and for omega tending to infinity, that is very large. For these two values, this denominator will tend to infinity. So what will become I naught here? Look, I naught will be 0 for these two values. Then from 0 to infinity, there is a frequency that we have selected, suppose omega naught, for which we can find this omega L minus 1 upon omega C. At particular frequency, it becomes 0, then the current becomes maximum, impedance, this total becomes minimum, and that is E naught by R. So whenever we find that at particular frequency omega naught at omega equal to omega naught L minus 1 upon omega naught C is 0, then we find omega naught square is 1 by LC, or omega naught is 1 by root LC. So this is the expression. How can you find the resonant frequency in terms of L and C? Now let's see what is quality factor sharpness at resonance. We will draw the curve between frequency and maximum current. As I told, this is the y axis and this is the x axis. If you take omega or f at the axis, for frequency 1 upon 2 pi under root L by under root LC, or omega naught, that is angular frequency at resonance, these two we know, f naught and omega naught, you can take any here. So if this is the I naught maximum current, it has been observed that this is the curve for a series LCR circuit, and the maximum value of current here, this is suppose I naught maximum in the circuit. For the value of current I naught maximum, we can see that I naught maximum corresponds to the frequency which is the resonant frequency, because at resonance current is maximum. If we draw the another curve like this, then for this resistance is R1 and for second curve resistance is R2. What we find, the maximum current for this second curve is I naught maximum here. This is for first one and this is for second one. Then which is greater, R1 or R2? Clear that maximum is the current is greater than resistance will be lesser. So what will you conclude? That R1 is less than R2. And what we find, that as the resistance increases, then at the value of maximum current, that decreases. This R2 is more, then maximum current is less. If in any circuit we draw the current, maximum current, this is omega and this is the circuit, this is the graph, then if we find that this is the I naught maximum corresponding to the frequency omega naught, what we have read, that at omega naught I is I naught. If we take a point at the y-axis for which the current is I naught maximum upon root 2, what is this? RMS. You find that the frequencies has these two values. Here this is, you can write omega 1, and here symmetrical to omega naught on both sides, this is omega 2. Then this, at this omega 1, what is the current? I naught by root 2, and at omega 2 the same current is I naught by root 2. What can you say about for power? So at omega naught power is P maximum, and what here? P maximum upon 2, half will be the power. How can you say? This P maximum or P is given by I naught square upon R. When I naught is I naught by root 2, then what will become at omega 1? You will find I naught square upon 2R, that is P maximum by 2, because I is I naught by root 2. So these omega 1, omega 2 are the frequencies, half power frequencies they are also called. The sharpness at resonance is called quality factor. More will be the sharpness, good will be the quality of the signal, because lesser will be the distance gap between omega 1 and omega 2. How this sharpness of resonance or quality factor is defined? You can see here how the quality factor is defined. Let's see. This quality factor is defined as Q factor equal to the ratio of resonant frequency to the ratio of resonant frequency to the frequencies on both sides of resonant frequency, such that at each frequency corresponding to which current is 1 upon root 2 times the value of current at maximum frequency. At resonant frequency omega naught we have written, then this is called omega 2 minus omega 1. What is this omega 2 minus omega 1? Omega 2 here above the omega naught, omega 1 here slightly less than the omega naught, but these two are omega 1, omega 2 are symmetrical to omega naught. That is, if these two are written with twice delta omega, then this value is delta omega and this value is also delta omega. So what can be said? We can say that quality factor is the ratio of resonant frequency to the frequencies on both sides of omega naught, such that at each frequency current amplitude becomes 1 upon root 2 times the value at resonant frequency. You can also say that this omega 2 minus omega 1 is the bandwidth, so that you can easily define that quality factor is the ratio of resonant frequency to the bandwidth of the signal. So in this way you can also write what is bandwidth. Look here that at omega naught the current is maximum, and at omega 1 and omega 2 the current is I naught by root 2, maximum current by root 2. Whenever we rotate the knob, we are adjusting the we want to listen particular signal in the radio, then we rotate the knob. You know, the station, that particular station, that program becomes audible when we rotate the knob. We find the maximum current in the considerable amount when we rotate the knob between omega 1 to omega 2 and find the maximum current in between at omega naught. That's why the frequency allotment from omega naught, and in this range no other station is allotted this particular frequency. That's why this is called frequency band of the particular station. So in this frequency band we find the current ranging from I naught by root 2 to the maximum current, and the power you can find here maximum power and here half of the maximum power. So this is called frequency band. Now how this quality factor is derived? Then you know the impedance is given by Z equal to under root R square plus omega L minus 1 upon omega C whole square, and what we have seen, the value of Z at omega 1 or omega 2, that is root 2R. So what can you write here? That if you make the whole square on both sides, you will get R square plus omega L minus 1 upon omega C whole square equal to 2R square. That is omega L minus 1 omega C equal to plus minus R, taking square root on both sides. We can write here that omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega 1 C as minus R, and give me the other pen, this omega 2 L minus 1 upon omega 2 C equal to plus R. So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So we can have these two equations by putting omega 1 and this omega 2 subscript in this two equations from this. By adding these two equations, what can you get? If you add these two equations 1 and 2, look here, by adding these two equations we will get omega 1 into omega 2 equal to 1 by LC, and by subtracting you can solve. You will get omega 2 minus omega 1 equal to R by L. What is this omega 2 minus omega 1? Here this is omega 2 minus omega 1 in the figure. This is, I am writing here, this is, what is this? R by L. So what is quality factor? You can find right here, quality factor can be written as omega naught upon this bandwidth. What is this bandwidth? You can write R by L. So L will be in the numerator like this. Another formula. So you learn, this is the first one, this is the second relation, and you know omega naught is 1 by root LC. You can find another relation. How? You can write here, this can also be written as 1 upon omega naught CR. Look here, this L by R and omega 1 into omega naught 2 is 1 by LC. So, in terms of C and R, you have removed L by taking square. Omega naught square will be, you can write here, this omega naught square will be 1 by LC. So, you have to remove L, you write here 1 upon omega naught square C. So, using these relations you can find this one, and the third one in terms of L, C, R all, you can write the quality factor is written as 1 by R root L by C. So, what we have seen that quality factor is given in these expressions. Also in one question I have seen that how the quality factor is defined. Just now we have seen that quality factor is omega naught L by R. Look here, if you multiply and divide both in the numerator and denominator by IRMS, then this will be IRMS and R into IRMS. What will you get? Look here, this voltage drop across C or L upon applied voltage. What can you write here? This is voltage drop across C or L upon applied voltage. Look, this is the voltage drop across C or R, or this is C or L and this is voltage drop applied. So, in this way you can find what is quality factor. Remember that sharper is the graph, good is the quality, and sharper is the graph means lesser is the resistance. Questions are asked on that. I am reading the question that how in the series LCR circuit if the resistance is decreased, what will be effect on quality factor? From any of the relations you can find here also that in all these three relations, where is R? In the denominator, then what will be quality factor more? Another question I have seen that flatter is the curve, this I omega curve. Why the flatter curve is not chosen? Because if the curve is flatter, instead of this curve, suppose you find that the curve is like this one, then almost for every frequency the current is not negligible. You will get current corresponding to several frequencies. Then all the stations, all the frequencies corresponding to different stations, they will have the maximum current, maximum power. How can you distinguish which station you are going to listen? That's why sharper is the resonance, good is the quality, and this is the application of series LCR circuit. Another example based on the quality factor. Look, in this question, I naught omega graphs shown for two different series LCR circuit. Find relation between L and C values of both circuits when current in the circuit is maximum, and second, for which circuit quality factor is higher. Here we find that at resonance I is maximum, I naught, impedance is minimum, and what is the resonant frequency? We know resonant frequency is omega naught equal to 1 by root LC. So, if L1 and C1 are the values for the first circuit and L2 and C2 are the values for the second circuit. So, at resonant condition, that is at this frequency, resonant frequency, what will be the condition? Relation between these two values, this L1 C1 will be same as L2 C2, because you take the square, you find this L1 C1 and again you will find L2 C2. So, at the resonance when current in the circuit will be maximum, frequency will be omega naught, and for first circuit this will be 1 upon under root L1C1, and for another circuit 1 by under root L2C2. Since omega naught is same for both, this will be the relation. What about second? As you know, we have discussed earlier, quality factor is more when the curve is sharper. So I naught omega curve is sharp for the first one, so quality factor is higher for the first curve. Now another interesting example of the resonance in AC circuits. You know, for security reasons at an airport, a person is made to walk through a doorway of a metal detector. Then how does this metal detector work? What is the working of metal detector? Look, metal detector works on the principle of resonance in AC circuits. What happens when the person walks through the doorway, that is through the metal detector, like this? Suppose this is the doorway. Then in fact he is walking through a coil of large number of turns, and this coil through which he is supposed to be walking is having large number of turns and attached with the capacitor of such value of capacitance that the circuit is in the resonance, L and C. What is the resonance condition? XL equal to XC. So metal detector is set at this condition. What happens when the person walks through the metal detector having some metal in his pocket or with him? Then the impedance of the circuit changes, because a core in the coil changes the value of L. So what happens? The impedance of the circuit changes, then current changes significantly. The significant change in the current in the circuit is detected, and the change of the current which is detected in the electronic circuit, then alarm sounds. So in this way metal detector works. So today we discussed about resonance in LCR circuit, its application and quality factor, tuning mechanism. This metal detector is also remains tuned with coil. L and C are tuned in such a way that the circuit remains in resonance. So whatever we discussed today, I hope you must have enjoyed it. Thank you.